So here's this little guy. Let's call him Hackerman. Police just busted into Hackerman's room and he's going to jail. This little and fatter version of McLovin is really a big deal. He hacked into Minecraft, stole bitcoins, and was responsible for biggest hack in history. Yes, I'm talking about the infamous GTA 6 leaks. And yes, he managed to do all on Amazon Fire TV stick and a Logitech Bluetooth keyboard. So you wanna be a hacker, ah?
A hacker who's faster than Ultron?
Well, put on your Guy Fawkes mask and step away from those screen scrolling texts because every movie hacking scene you ever saw are totally fake. This is how the real hacking guys look and they work from their mom's basement. This is how to learn hacking if I have to start it from the beginning. The first rule of Hacking Club is learn by doping. Cut. I mean learning by doing it. Real hacking starts with understanding the basics. And today we are diving into the world of SSH and hack a multi-billion-dollar website. Just kidding. There is a cool website called OverTheWire and Bandit Games, which are designed for noobs like you, little bro. SSH. That's a secure shell for newbies out there. If you're stepping into cybersecurity or ethical hacking, this is your golden ticket and it will gain you that sweet server access. SSH is like the connection from the movies, going through fortress of encryption and no prying eyes allowed. Didn't get it? Remember the scene from Now You See Me? They pass the card without seeing it and this is exactly the same. SSH uses a pair of keys, public and private. It's like having a special lockbox. Anyone can put stuff in using the public key, but only you with a super secret public key can open it. Genius, right? Now let's get our hand dirty. We are going to connect to a Bandit server and tackle the first level. First, fire up your terminal. Most noobs don't use Kali Linux. I'm not saying that, data says that. The command we are using is SSH followed by bandit0 bandit.labs.overthewire.org -p blah blah blah. Here bandit0 is level and SSH address and -p is port and we are using port 2020. Simple enough, right? As soon as you do that, it will prompt you for the password. This level password is bandit0. Boom, we are in. Now let's see what we got here. Type ls to list down the files. This command was first introduced by Sir Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thompson at Bell Labs while they were creating Unix operating system. They need a way to interact with file system where files are stored, so they wrote a simple command ls. When you hit enter after typing ls, the command does a quick scan of current directory, gather all the names of files and folders, and they display them in a neat list. Now back to our example. It shows a readme file. That looks sus. But do I open it? Enter the cat command. Same people as previous, Sir Dennis Ritchie and Ken Thompson. The cat command is short for concatenate. In programming and computing, the concatenate means to link things together in a chain. The original purpose of cat was to take multiple files and combine them contents and display them as a single output. But cat became famous not just for concatenating files. Its most common use is actually just to display the contents of a single file. When you type cat filename.txt, it dumps the content of all file directory to your terminal. No fuss, just straight up text. Now you're into the Bandit games and they display the password you're looking for is we got this big ass message and here is to copy the password. Copy this cause it is really important in your next password. That's it for this video. See you in next one.